Hello guys, did you know that you can boost Google Chrome download speed by using this simple trick? Now go to your browser. Now you're gonna type Chrome flags here. Now at this point you will see there's a lot of function that you can choose. Now type downloads for me. So this is parallel downloading, so it will allow you to accelerate the download speed, but before that I will show you the difference. So I will download the test file for you guys. So I will test with 1 GB file. So you can see here it's quite slow. Now I'm going to cancel it. Now for parallel downloading, default it should be enabled and relaunch the Google Chrome. Alright, so you're done. Now I will test it again. So 1 GB file goes on, and you can see that it makes the speed download more faster than before. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe and share as well, and watch my new video. And I'll see you next video soon. Goodbye.